This protocol is significant because it provides an Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder intervention procedure based on humanistic psychotherapy that is grounded in the neuroscientific knowledge of the human behavior. The main advantage of this technique is that the diagnosis and intervention are based on the interpretation of paraverbal and body language, but not on verbal self-reporting. Demonstrating the procedure will be Sílvia Mayoral-Rodríguez, Doctor of Education Sciences from the Foundation Carme Vidal Xifre de Neuropsychopedagogia.
Before beginning the assessment, administer the SNAP-4 questionnaire to obtain baseline values against which all of the performances will be compared. Record the remission versus the response in each case. To perform an Adventures of Fundi Go, No-Go task, first show the participant 5 short videos on how the brain learns. In these supplementary videos, the 4 cognitive processes described by the PASS theory are explained through metaphor. When all of the videos have been watched, explain to the participant that
Mira, Biel, ara el que farem, l'objectiu d'aquests jocs d'intervenció cognitiva és entrenar el teu cervell perquè et sigui més fàcil el que fas a l'escola i a més et sigui més fàcil aquesta autoregulació perquè entrenarem el procés de planificació que t'ha explicat en Fundi.